joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome. So today is going to be a really quick, very simple and short video. I'm making two Wi-Fi signs. You know how when people come over to your house, your family come over and they want to know your password to your Wi-Fi, and if you're anything like me, I really don't keep it anywhere. I have it still written on the box that my router came in. And so I'm running into my closet trying to find it. Or my husband sometime, maybe he has it on his phone. He has had it on his phone in the past. But if he's not around and someone comes over, one of my daughters come over, Mom, I need the password to the Wi-Fi. What is it? And I'm like, So I decided to go ahead and do a quick DIY. Very simple, anyone can do it. Everybody has Wi-Fi. Everybody has family members and friends that come over. So this project is gonna be perfect for you. I've seen these in the dollar store, but I have to put my own little twist on everything. So, and it's not really my own little twist, but it's just my own, I want my own frame, my own presentation of how I want to display my Wi-Fi information. So in my house, so it could be anything. These I already had on hand, so I didn't have to go out and buy anything new. These little wood frames that I got from Hobby Lobby like last year or something. So it's like a unfinished, kind of a rustic looking frame here, wood frame. So I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm not gonna paint it, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just going to cut out my design, which I already did. Haven't weeded them yet, but I've got two different ones here. Hopefully I measured it right and got the right measurements. And all I'm gonna do is weed them and just stick them on the board. I'm not gonna add my Wi-Fi information. I didn't do that part yet. But you can put your own information in and you'll see. So. And if I didn't say it before, I don't remember, I got these from Etsy, these designs. So you can just go right onto Etsy and just put in Wi-Fi SVGs files and a whole lot will come up. That's what I did. So and they have so many different ones. I like to sometimes cut off the excess so it doesn't fall back on my letters and then screw the whole thing up. So I'm gonna do this one first. So here it is. See, I told you this was gonna be really quick. So you can do one or two things. You can write in your network and your password, or you can just go ahead and cut it out on your vinyl cutter. You can use permanent vinyl, you can use non-permanent vinyl, because you know sometimes your password changes or whatever. You can just peel it right off and stick it back on. So it's really up to you how you want to do it. I'm just going to go ahead and just cut out the vinyl and put it on the board. I'm going to hang these up in my house. So that was very simple. So yeah, go ahead and try this for yourself for your next project. I think that it'll be a good addition to your house. Hold for people who come over to visit and you know, they want to get on your network and whatnot. So there you have it. So thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I've got more videos coming, so please let me know if you found any value in this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Please comment, because I really love to hear your feedback on this, and it helps my channel when you guys interact with me. So I would love it if you would interact with me. So thanks so much for joining me. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because I've got some really cool projects coming up and some Valentine crafts as well. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye-bye.